Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable IP address protection during voice and video calls on WhatsApp. This option is crucial for preserving your privacy while communicating through this popular platform. IP address protection allows you to hide your actual IP address from the people you're talking to, providing an additional layer of security and privacy during each call. This can be particularly useful for preventing location tracking or identification through your IP address. If you want to learn how to enable this option, stay until the end of this video. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Now, in the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then select Settings. In this section, choose Privacy. After that, scroll all the way down and select Advanced. Once you reach this part, simply tap the switch next to Protect IP Address in Calls, and that's it. Afterward, IP address protection during calls will be activated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with others, and of course, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.